Helping patients is my day-to-day, and I love it.
Oh, and making sure we have the highest quality supplements for them is a priority.
That's Bruce. He does pretty much everything, and makes sure we're always up to date on our stock, so that I can focus on caring for my patients. He also helps point out areas of our business that may need improvement, like reducing stock that expires?
Well, my friend Dr. Raul recommended this online software called Fullscript. It's a tool for dispensing supplements without having to carry an inventory. And it's free.
So we wouldn't need physical inventory.
No physical inventory, all virtual.
And it's free.
It's free.
Let's try it. Emily?
I'm tired every day. I need something to get my energy back up.
Why don't you give this a try for a month and see how that helps?
Thanks.
With Fullscript, I have access to all the best professional-grade supplements in one place. I can now prescribe the exact supplement my patient needs without being limited to what I have in stock. My patients can purchase from the comfort of their own home and receive automatic refill notifications when they're running low. It's a win-win. Not only can I make Emily's treatment more successful by giving her the highest quality products in the quickest way possible, but we're also able to reduce our physical inventory. I now have more time to focus on caring for my patients.
Letting us grow our practice.